Don't be peeking. Y'all always peeking at stuff. I'm gonna tell on y'all. Run that intro.
KinggEATEAT, 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 KinggEATEAT. I like chicken, I like beef, I like spaghetti with a whole lot of meat. KinggEATEAT, yeah, KinggEATEAT. KinggEATEAT, yeah.
Yes, sir. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Moment, aka KinggEATEAT, and today, you know what it is. You see the vibes, baby. Today, I got some chicken stir fry. Asian style. Now I'm gonna taste it without this without putting no harnacha on it. Then y'all already know I gotta make it spicy. It's already spicy. I'm gonna give y'all the first bite. Hold on. There you go. Get to some of that there. High five.
Damn.
Get louder! That's good. But it ain't hot enough. Just ain't hot enough. Oh, it's skiing all out crooked on me. How y'all day going? I'm fixing my bike today. Ooh. Hot. Straight at the skillet there. Let's try the skillet there, y'all. I love carrots. I don't know if y'all know that about me, but I love carrots. That's hot. And that chopped up chicken breast in that thing though. Y'all another bite up over there. Y'all another bite up over there. You say this here? What kind? Korean? Asian. My bad. No disrespect, y'all. I'm again. My bad. Charge to my head and my heart. This ain't bad. This ain't bad at all. Real light meal. Give me a little bread on there. Oh, there's a lot of vegetables. A lot of vegetables. Look at them. Got a certain little kick to it though. I like it. I'm like, not too heavy. Not too heavy. What is this? Anybody know what that is? Like a little mini coin on a car. I don't know what that was. I don't think I never had that before. A mini coin on the car. Like some kind of vegetable. It didn't taste like corn.
Just gotta have some bread.
Gotta have some kind of bread. I don't gotta have it.
Yes, you do, because you ain't have to eat it.
I gotta have it though. But I ain't gotta have it. But I gotta have it. Baby, really gotta have it. This is good though. I guess I won't eat no more bread. Yep, I guess that's kind of defeats the purpose of eating a healthy meal. It's just one piece, 2 pieces. I had number 2 pieces. Hello? So how y'all doing? Y'all been being safe out there? Boy, me and the queen been having a blast. I mean, we've been having a blast. You understand? Wink, wink. Quarantine me. Quarantine me. I needed a quarantine. I didn't know I needed a quarantine till I was quarantined. Quarantine me. Oh my. I figured out what to do during the quarantine, baby.
We went to Walmart to buy games.
We did go to Walmart to buy games. And then we came back home. Yeah. I'm not a drinker. I'm gonna keep it 100. I'm not a drinker. But I had me 2 shots. What that was? Crown Royal Green Apple. We all grown in here, right? All I'm gonna say is that brown made me act a clown. That's all I'm gonna say. That's all I'm gonna say.
Don't be still.
That's all I'm gonna say. I ain't saying nothing wrong. That's all I'm gonna say. We all grown. I said, I gotta go buy me a couple more bottles of that. Not to be no alcoholic or nothing like that. But messing with that brown, you gonna get down. That's all I'm gonna say. For me anyway. Huh? I'm just saying. I can be real, that's real. Hey, you don't speak no English. You speak some Japanese. Guapahibanese. Boy. I hope y'all having fun. As much fun as I'm having. We went and bought us a Candyland game. Well, another joystick. I first I only had one because my wife don't play. But the quarantine, I found out she can actually play a little taste. Boy, we got another joystick, boy, we been going in. Not just on the game. You know what I mean? I ain't say nothing. I ain't say nothing. I ain't say nothing. I ain't say nothing. I'm throwing that there. We all grown. Ain't right, y'all. We all grown. Alright. I done got me some breakfast in bed. I couldn't record that. I was upstairs. I made some breakfast in bed. I was knocked out cold. Put the boy asleep. I was knocked out cold. Dead to the world. Woke up. What I have? Waffles, bacon, eggs, sausage. Look who laid on the thigh. But I been having a blast. We were watching us some movies. Woo. Well, we've been going in. All right, there. Whenever this quarantine over, I'm gonna be sad. I'm gonna be sad. Let the quarantine last as long as it can. I used to have people finna start going back to work, or I already started going back to work. Y'all know my wife, she worked in the nursing field, so she ain't never stopped. She ain't missing a beat. You don't work as much though, but she still work. Yes, sir. That was bad. My boy called right there. Door open, G. All right, bet. All right. Yeah. I love y'all. Continue to do good. Stay blessed. Be safe. Protect yourself at all times. Excuse me. I'ma eat that there. Eat. Everybody else, we the gang. Y'all gang. We're not the same.
King